Okay, so this is going to be my first long video on smart stock trading YouTube channel. I have been recording videos for a while but haven't published anything. I have been invested in gold and silver mining stocks for a long time and have made decent gains over the past few years. So the whole purpose of sharing all these things with you is that all the things that I'm trying to discuss with you and tell you in future videos, I'll have learned those things in hard way, because when I started in 2008 I didn't have any experience in the stock market, but just invested and had some losses in the beginning. But then gradually over time I have learned lots of things and tricks. Now I am able to manage my portfolio. I am able to make profitable investment decisions, able to track stocks. I'm able to decide which stocks to buy, which stocks to sell, and how to select the stocks, how to explore other profitable sectors, not just stock market. It took me a while to learn all these things. The thing is that stock market investing and trading has not been my main profession. So by profession I am a web developer and a data scientist, and I also hold a PhD degree in computer science. So I've been doing many things at the same time, but also managing my own investments, because I think that is a great way to have a side income. And also I believe that the way stock market is behaving these days, especially since 2020, it looks to me that people who are going to invest in it now are going to make huge profits. One of the main reasons for that is that nowadays through social media you can share a lot of things, share ideas, people can get a lot of information, people can get awareness about what is good and what is bad. There are also going to be scam stocks, scam cryptocurrencies, all these things. So you need to be aware, need to be careful, when you decide to invest your money in any kind of asset. I hope by sharing my knowledge I will be able to help you in some ways. It will make it easier for you to make better investment decisions. The other thing is, actually I have been seeing a lot of newsletters writers trying to sell knowledge. I clicked on an ad lately and the person was trying to sell his product. Okay, please watch my webinar. I spent an hour to watch the webinar, and in the end of the webinar, I have a very secret hidden asset that I'm going to tell you about, and you are going to become a millionaire, things like that. And please subscribe to my newsletter. I'm giving you a discount, a great discount. And even after discount, the person was trying to charge like $1,000 just to share that hidden asset. So by watching his videos, and I say, okay, no, I'm not going to pay $1,000 for just knowing about a hidden asset that will make you rich in one day. I didn't subscribe, but somehow I got some knowledge about that hidden asset, what hidden asset the person was talking about. And I already knew this hidden asset that I think a lot of people know who are following social media. This hidden asset is crypto sector. People are trying to capitalize on cryptocurrency and Bitcoin craze, and I believe that is going to go high. I don't want to pay someone $1,000 just to learn about few stocks. So why should I pay $1,000? I can do my research, and I am sharing all these things with you for free. Okay, I'm not charging anything. The main purpose to share all these things is to create awareness in people, especially people who don't have enough money to pay $1,000 for newsletter subscription, so they can get this information for free. And even in the future, if I have some premium products or something, I wouldn't never charge that much money. All the material that I have published on my website for over the past 4 years is available for free. I haven't charged any single cent from anybody. Let's come to the point now. What am I going to discuss about? So first I will discuss about gold, silver, palladium and gold mining stocks. I published an article in the beginning of 2021 about the price outlook for these assets, which you can see in the chart here. This chart here is showing the price of gold, silver, palladium and gold miners ETF. What are gold miners ETF? Gold miner ETFs is a basket of high quality gold stocks. The people new to stock market and they don't know which stocks to choose, then it's a better idea to buy these kind of ETFs or some index funds that represent the stocks in that particular sector. For example, if you are interested in gold, there are many index funds and ETFs for gold stocks. So same thing happens when with other sectors too. So instead of picking one stock, you just are investing in like 100 or whatever number of stocks that ETF holds. Okay, here is showing the price from 2009 till 2021. In the beginning, palladium was 300% higher, silver was 400%, and then gold was 151%, 58% higher. Gold miners ETF were 200% higher than their price during 2008 market crash. So this point is before 2009, so it was like around 2008 market crash. Okay, also you can see from this graph that silver gained from that point here to this point. The gain, silver gained around 400%. So less means that if somebody invested $100, their investment at this point was worth $500. So silver gained the most. Then the second was palladium. The third was gold miners ETF. But here you could, I would tell you that these gold miner ETFs represent a basket of many gold stocks. But in the reality, if you see, there were many stocks that were thousands of percent higher than their bottom in 2008. So if somebody is able to find those stocks, those gems that are going to produce that 10 or 20 times return, what else can be better than that? I also have explored a lot of stocks that have produced many 6 or 7 or up to sometimes 10 times return over a period of year or two. So yeah, you just have to try to keep finding and know the way how to find those kind of gems. Another thing you see from 2009 till now, if you see now, the palladium has outperformed all these assets, gold and silver, and the main reason behind this huge upside basically is that supply and demand scenario causes this kind of huge fluctuations. Palladium has a very low supply compared to the demand, that causes this price spike. Okay, I captured this chart in 2021. At the beginning of 2021, gold miner ETF were around, as it is showing here, 68% higher from their 2009 bottom. Both gold and silver were around 157% higher, and then palladium was 1063% higher than 2009 bottom. If you see the price now, at this point now, palladium is even higher. It reached its all-time high of around $3,000, and then currently it's 1300% higher than its 2009 bottom. Silver is 117%, gold 109%, and miners are 2.8%. So what it means that gold mining stocks have more potential to grow. You need to pick the good ones. Okay, there are many, about 1,000, even more than 1,000. Okay, mining stocks. So you need to be careful in picking the right stock. Yeah, so there was another market bottom in late 2015. So if we check that one, palladium has gained around 400%. Miner stocks have done better than gold and silver, as you can see in this time span. Gold gained 72% from that point. So you see here, gold was around $1,000, silver was around $13.8, palladium was $561, and then miner ETF were trading at $13.72 on December 1st, 2015. Okay, and now the price of palladium is, as of today, July, okay, it's showing July 1 because I'm seeing the weekly chart. Here I'm showing you the daily chart from 2016 market bottom. Yeah, it was the bottom for gold and silver, but as you can see, palladium was still trading lower. Yeah, around 12th January. You can see here that palladium since 2016 is 400% higher. Miner ETF, so it's like a basket of stock, is 159% higher. which means that there are stocks which has gained a lot more than that, and I will show you that later. Okay. And then silver 85%, gold 69%. Gold has gained 69%, silver has gained 85% from 2016 market bottom. And what was the price? As you can see the price here, currently palladium is $2,829, silver is $26.2, gold is $1,827. Van Eck Vectors Gold Miner ETF is $34.74. Palladium was $558, silver was $13.95, gold was $1,069, miners ETF were 13.95. So yeah, a lot of people don't pay attention on these things. Investments are so risky. If you put your money there, you will lose it. But let's say if a person invested at this point, how much they would have gained by now. Okay, if you just keep money in your saving account, you're not going to gain much. If you see the history, the value of money, paper money has been going down for a long time because of inflation. Everything is getting expensive. So people who want to preserve their wealth, they should invest in the assets that preserve the value of their money. That's what I believe. Okay, let's talk about recent market crash. Okay, so we see that the recent, after this point, there were market corrections. If you see the miners, there were a lot of correction actually. Gold miners has gone through a lot of corrections, a lot of bumps since 2016. If you see the price of palladium, it has been going up. Gold has been steadily going up. There has not been any major corrections since 2016. Okay. Major correction is when the price goes down by more than 50% or so. Okay, then you could call it that has been a major correction. For example, if you see silver in September 2019 was $19.5, and then during 2020 market crash it went down to $12. It crashed sharply from February 2020 to March 2020. The price was like almost down by 50%. And the people who knew the value of investing in silver, they actually bought a lot. This kind of price people don't get. So those who were lucky to grab silver, these stocks and all these assets, gold didn't go down much, but see, other assets went down a lot. So people who have been able to catch this dip, I would say they have been really lucky. If we see the gains from the bottom of 2020 market crash, silver is already up by 118%. So from around $12 to now it is $26.2, and it reached a peak of, I think it reached a high of $30. And gold reached, when gold was trading for $800 in late 2008, nobody was believing that it will go high. I was publishing my article on my website in 2016 that gold is going to pass $2,000 because I believed in it, and now we are here at the point where we are witnessing that gold has reached this point. I believe that it will go higher. Okay, and there are lots of solid reasons for that, which I will discuss later. Same with gold mining stocks. I believe that gold mining stocks are still very cheap. They have great potential to generate high returns if you buy and hold for a long period of time.